Like connecting with the database with Java.
Yes, correct. Okay. So last time,
No, like there's no class like since the 4 days.
yeah, yeah. So I'm just sharing the screen. Able to see my screen?
Yes.
Hmm. So you can able to see my screen, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Hmm. So it is a day what?
28.
Day 28. Last time also it was 28 only, or
No, it's 27. Yeah,
okay,
28, but uh, we stopped in middle right after 10 minutes.
okay, correct. So yeah. So today basically we are going to see how to connect to the database, right?
Yeah.
So by using Java, we are going to use JDBC. So yes, let's see what we are going to learn today is today we are going to see the steps actually. Okay, so these are the steps are very important. Now JDBC. You know what is the full form of this, right? Java
Database.
base connectivity. Yes. Now, what is the meaning of this is to connect the database base by using Java platform. Java. That's simple meaning is that. Now, how to do that without going to MySQL? We need to do this, like inserting the data, all those things. Okay. So here I'm just going to help you with the steps. First, we'll see the step-by-step process, and then we'll see the implementation. Okay, no? So before that, I wanted you to research on few things like what are last time I was saying about loaders, right? I was talking about drivers. Drivers, you have to explore this. There are four drivers, OCD, all those, right? And the thin driver, all those, and native driver, all those. So these drivers, I wanted you to check, go through the theory part. This is all about theory part. Practically, we are going to see. So that's it. Now let's go with the practical this today. First one. The first one is load and register the driver. Register driver. This is first step. So first, what we have to do, we need to load it, load and register the driver. How to do that? We have one simple inbuilt function, that is class. So capital S, capital C, class dot for name. Yes, here we are writing what driver class name we are writing, driver class. So as of now, you may not be understanding, but when we are start doing practical, then you will understand. Okay.
Yeah.
So these are very important things. Yes. First is load and register the driver. Second one, create a connection. Create create a connection. So we have to create the connection. With what we have to create the connection? With the MySQL. Okay. So MySQL, how we can create a connection is connection. So for this, we are creating one object connection and then con equal to, we have driver manager dot get connection method is a connection. And here we need to give the URL, and then username, and then password. Okay. And now third one. So what we have done, first one is load the loading the register. We have done with the register loading. Second one is creating a connection. Yes. And third one is create a statement. Create a statement here. Now to create a statement, we can do with the help of prepared statement. Prepared statement PS. Since it is a name, and then con dot. What is this con? Con is the object of create connection. Okay. Yes. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. So con dot prepare statement. In this, we have to write the queries, whatever SQL queries, update query, select query, insert query. You remembered, right? All the queries we discussed.
Yeah.
And the fourth one is we have to execute SQL statement. How to execute this? This we can execute ps dot execute update. Okay. Now that is done, and the fifth one is process the result, and the sixth one is close the connection. So this is the way. These are the steps we have to follow. So what is the first one?
Load and register the driver.
Yes. Second one?
Create connection and
Yeah.
then create
Third?
statement
Yes,
and
yes.
executing SQL statement, process the result and close the connection.
Done. Connection. Okay. So these are the things we have to know. Now let's do this practically. So before going to this practically, what I have to do is we have to install the driver. I mean to say, MySQL driver. So for example, I'm just going on this Google, and I'm just checking whether we can find it. MySQL driver, MySQL connector for JDBC. So SQL download connector is there, right? You can able to see, right, what I'm doing here.
Yeah.
Then it is asking me to select system, operating system. Okay, I'm going to check some other one. My connectors. So here it is JDBC driver. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So for example, if I'm downloading that JDBC driver for, but again it is saying this source code, platform independent. Here which one I have? Platform independent. Oh, it is giving me the zip one,
Yeah.
9.0. Okay. Mhm. Let me check another one. 7. No, we need to download it. MySQL connector. platform independent. Okay, fine. Let me download this one only and check whether it's working or not. No thanks. I'm just giving on this desktop. Okay, so let's see. We have this zip. Then we have to extract this. Yes,
Sorry, what you said?
I'm saying done. It is done. I'm saying.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
where is this MySQL zip? Zip got opened where? Here it is. Now in this MySQL connector, and then here we have jar dot jar. So this is what executable file. This is only we need. Okay. So that's it. Now let's go with the this is Eclipse. Now in this Eclipse, yeah. Now here we have Bharat, and in this I'm creating one package, and the package will be, the name of the package is JDBC dot j no JDBC dot com. Okay, starting I should not give dot. Hmm. This I got. Yeah. So I created what? I created a package, but I need, what I have to do here is right click in. We need to build, configure the path. Okay. Now here, now we have to add the library, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Like class path, module. Here we have add a library or add a jar files, add jars, add external jar. So like this, you can go here, desktop, and then we have my connector, and here this one only we have to add this jar. Yes,
Yeah.
it is added in libraries, right? Apply and apply and close. Apply and close. Does it got added? How we can know this? Let's see. Let me close all this. Close all. Now see here, referenced library. In this referenced library, I got my MySQL connector 9.0.0. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
and see, this is all. This is everything is here. So com.mysql.cj, cgadmin, JDBC. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So like that, we have to, what we have to do, we have to add. Now let's create one small program and check whether it is working or not now. So what is the name here? I given JDBC, right? New class, and then simply demo I'm giving.
Okay.
JDBC demo. DBC demo. Now, I just wanted to check whether my program is all set, it's running or not. So, CISO, hi, and let's execute this Java application. It's working.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, when it is working, now let's go with the demo. What happened? Hello.
Hi, your voice is getting like disturbance.
Yeah, yeah. It's you can able to see my screen.
Yeah, it's yeah. You open the settings.
Yeah, it is saying your device will restart outside of active hours. Okay, so I need to restart it. Fine. So, okay, now let's see what to do here. Now, hmm. See a JDBC demo main method. Main method I have given, right? Now, what is the first step? What is the first step I given?
Creating,
Or loading.
sorry, loading the drivers.
So how we have to load? I have given the example also. Class dot per name, right?
Yeah.
Per name. Where is the per name? Class dot per name and the string name. Is it class dot per name? Okay. Now in this, what is the name I have to write? Com dot the class name is com dot mysql dot cj jdbc driver. It is there or not? Let's see once. If that is there, then only it is fine. We can go with that. So what is the name here? Com dot mysql dot com dot mysql dot cj dot jdbc dot driver. Is driver is there? Can you see the driver here anywhere?
Mm,
Here CJ Max is there. Okay. Driver we need.
no, I don't see any driver.
Mhm. Okay, let me check once here. So here what I need to write is com dot mysql dot cj dot jdbc dot driver, and then after this what I need to give semicolon, but it is giving me error. What is the error? Because whenever we are doing with this, it can throw, it is saying that it will, to handle this it will throw what exception. So to handle this we can use what throws declaration. Yeah.
Uh,
Yes, throws declaration I have given. So now the error is gone.
Yeah.
Yes. Now after this, what is the next step? We have loaded the driver. What is the next one?
Next one is creating.
Create. Next one is create connection. Connection we have to create. Yes.
Yeah.
So how to create a connection? Just write connection. Con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. Okay. In this what we have to write, in this we have to give the connection. How to give the connection, that is important. So where it is exactly, the connection means what, the JDBC where it is, like the MySQL where it is exactly. So for that we can write here everything. We have to write what, link means URL first we have to write, like JDBC colon MySQL colon, it is in localhost, and I need to check port number how much it is, but let me use this one, 3306. Yeah, it's a default one. Forward slash JDBC. Okay. So, but before giving this location, what I have to do is I need to provide a JD. I have to provide what? I have to provide one database. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So the database, let me create already one we have created, right? That we can use here. So MySQL command line root and then show databases. Did I type anything wrong? Show bases. Yes. So for example, if it is Bharat. Okay. So I need to give as Bharat. That's it. Bharat. Hmm. Bharat is given. Now after this, is it visible?
Yeah.
In this, what we have to give is username and password. So for me, username and password both are root only. Root, and this everything is should be in the, yeah.
How do you know that username?
No, while creating MySQL,
Okay, okay.
whenever we are creating at that time only we will keep this.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. But it is giving me error. What is this error? Let's see. So if I'm giving here connection cannot be resolved type, so just click on that, and it is saying that we have to import Java SQL. Okay, so click on that. So connection, Java connection. So this all are belongs to the SQL package.
Okay.
Now that is fine, but again handled exception. We are getting again another exception. So it also requires what, throws. So add a throws declaration. Yeah. Or else we can also do one thing. We can directly go for a base exception. Instead of class not found or instead of SQL exception, directly main exception we can give here. Yeah. So we have successfully created what, connection. Connection we created or not?
Yeah.
Yes, we have created the connection. Now what we have created first? We have created the, we have loaded the class and driver. Then we created a connection. Then what is next?
Creating.
To write the query, right?
Yeah.
So that is you have to write in the prepared statement. Prepared statement PS is equal to con dot prepared prepared statement. Yes. Now here what we have to write is we need to write a query. What is the query we have to write here is, let's see. It is giving me error. What is this error? Import. We have to import this one also. Again, here also it is giving me error. Give me error. Let me change it as P. Prepare statement. This method prepared statement is undefined connection. Okay. So I'm getting error here. We need to check what can be done. Prepare prepare statement. Let me write again. Con dot. See here it is there. Prepare statement. Prepare statement. Okay. Small p it is. Now in that, what we have to write is we have to write a code. Now, for example, to write the code, what we have to know, we have to create the table also. So let's see here. What are the tables we have used? Bharat,
Yeah.
and then show tables. Yes, student. So now select star from student. Yeah. So in the student already 101 and 103 is there, right? We'll insert in the student only. Okay. Student is the name of the table. Yes.
Yeah.
So let's write the query for insert. Insert into, and what is the name of the table? Student. Okay. Values. I'm just inserting values. You have to give the values. Now values. In this, I'm just giving a bracket. Let me make it little bigger. Hmm. So I'm giving the values here. What are the values I can give here is, uh, for example, Deepak. No, what are the names we have actually? Like here we cannot give anything. So I need to check the structure of it. DESC. Describe the table. STUDENT. First is what? ID. ID, name, payment, and location, right? Yes. So ID, name, payment, and location. Just ID. First is ID. So I just need to give what? ID. Yeah. Values I'm giving. I'm giving 200 is my ID, comma. What is the next one?
Name.
Name. Okay. Deepak. Okay. After name, Deepak, next what we have?
The location is the last one. Third one is
Known as pay.
payment.
Yeah, payment we have. So payment something 10,000 and comma. Next what we have? Location, right? And the location is in integer, int we have it. So let's go with a number, some random number 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So that's it. We have done with this. Now once we are done, prepared statement. What is the prepared means what? What was the third one here? Creating the
That is.
statement. Yes, statement we have created the query. Now what we have to do? Execute, right? Yes. Now to execute, what we have to do is we need to check. Like for example, I'm just taking int I is equal to ps dot execute update method we have to use. It will return integer. Okay. So whenever I'm using what ps is what? It is an object for prepared statement. Dot execute update will execute the query. And whenever we are calling this, it will store something in this I. So if something gets stored, then we are giving out a condition. So let's see what is the condition I'm giving. If I is greater than 0, I is greater than 0, then what? It is success. I wanted to see the message printed. See, so yeah, so it is what? Successfully done. Success. And if it is not created, then else part. It should go to the else part. And here it is CISO failed. Yes.
Yeah.
Now let's try to execute this. See, the moment I'm writing all this, automatically it is taking all the import statements. So this all are belongs to the package SQL. Directly, if I write SQL dot star now, everything will come. So here we are making use of connection, uh, driver manager, prepared statement, SQL exception. Yes.
Mhm.
So let's execute this and check whether it is working or not. So Java application. What it is saying?
Success.
So it means what we have to do here is we have to go to the this one and then we have to check select star from Bharat. No, select star student. Student. See here. Deepak got added or not?
Yeah.
Did we added this in the MySQL?
Yes.
Did we added this in MySQL? Huh?
Oh,
This
like
we
in
have added
Bharat.
this in the Eclipse
Yeah. Yeah.
and it is reflecting here. Yes or
Yeah.
no?
Yeah. Yeah.
This is called JDBC.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the meaning here is very important. This is a demo. So we are writing some code here in the Java and it is reflecting in MySQL. Okay. Got it? Any doubts anywhere?
Yeah, but yeah, it's very new to me. Like it's yeah.
Yeah. So it is very new to you. So what you have to understand is this anyhow you have to if you wanted to learn, you have to like what I mean to say, you have to memorize all this. Just a class dot for name and then what we have to give here com.mysql dot so this is the name of it and then get connection prepared statement execute. So this is what like this we have created. Yes. now
Uh-huh.
now this is the demo is done. Now let me create another one, few more things, and check whether I will show you different scenarios also. So different scenarios and let's see whether it is working or not. Okay. So now we can what are the things we can do here? We can update, we can delete, right? Delete, update. In the MySQL but in this you don't know.
Mm.
Hmm. So the same thing, but you have to write everything in the prepared statement only. Got it? So we'll do one more thing and let's see whether it's working or not. So this is I'm just giving it inside more class and this time the class name is I just wanted to insert or we can say that directly inserting values J, JDBC insert. So we are just going with insert and the same thing you have to do with the update and delete also. By seeing the reference I wanted you to try. Okay.
Mm.
So this is for insert Now let's see. First one is main method. Once the main method is created, now what we have to do? Now what is the main thing? Load, load and register the driver, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Class, class dot, class dot for name, for name. In this for name, what is the for name here? We have to use com dot mysql dot cj dot jdbc dot driver. Done. So here we are getting a error. It is asking to throw the declaration. But directly we can use what exception here. Yeah. So done. We have what we have done here with this line. What is the meaning of this line? We have loaded. We are telling to this one is loaded and registered the driver. Okay. Now after that we have to create the connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. Now in this what we have to pass? We have to pass total three things. What are those? One is where exactly it is, where is the path of it. That one we have to provide. And here I'm just giving this. Now we need to give a path. The path is JDBC colon MySQL colon forward slash localhost colon 3306 forward slash JDBC. No, here we have to write what? Uh, Database name. What is the database name we have used for this? Bharat, right? Bharat. Yes. So here what? Bharat. Bharat I'm using. Now I'm using what? Bharat here. Now what I have to use in the second one? Root. And here also root. Okay. Now again it is showing me some error here. So let's see what is the error here. So create a class connection. The connection should be capital C, right? Import. So directly what I can do is I can directly go with a SQL dot star. Yes. Hello, Bharat. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, you are there.
Yeah, I was talking, but I don't know.
Hmm. So here I'm just given star. It's fine. Now it means what? What is the meaning of this also? Here is the connection. I have loaded and registered the driver. Next one is I have given the connection to the MySQL connection is given. Now I need to write what? What I need to write here? Prepared statement. Prepared prepared statement. Okay, PS is equal to con dot, yes, prepare statement. Now in this you have to note down few things. What we have to do, we need to note down the insert part. We are going to insert, but this time let's create a new table here. How to create a table, Bharat? Create table and table name.
Yeah.
For example, we are creating a table for employees. What to do? Create table employee. Now, so what are the fields employee will have?
ID and their age.
Okay, employee. And then what we have to do here, ID, and then int, right? Next, name.
ID.
name, then varchar.
Yeah.
Varchar is what? 30. And then name, ID, name, and
Age in.
look, they their hometown or location.
Mhm.
So location is varchar. Again, it is 30. Now, once location is also done, now was there email? So what is email? Email is varchar. In this varchar also, I'm just writing 30. So how many things are done? One, two, three.
The
Done. Now let's see. Yeah, it is working. So we have created successfully. Now let's see. Describe the employees. Yeah, so four things are there. Four things serial wise we need to understand. One is ID and another one is our varchar. All strings are there. So now here what we can do is we can just insert directly here. Insert here. Let me give close command. Here it is what insert. Okay, everything should be in double quotes right here. So here also insert into where we have to insert in the newly created table
employees.
employees, yeah, employees, and then value we are going to do value. So once this is done, here what I need to do is I am just giving a positional arguments here. Question mark, question mark, and then question mark, question mark. So total how many question marks I need to give? Four. Four question marks I'm giving here. Okay. So this four question mark I have done. Now, so before I have done here main method and just main method after main method only what I need to do is string. For example, what is the first one? ID, right? So ID is not string. What is ID?
ID is in. Sorry, varchar.
It is an int.
Int. Sorry.
Yeah, it is an int. So let me check this. Int ID is equal to here I'm just giving here one, two, three. But whenever I'm giving something in double quotes, everything I should take what? String.
Uh-huh.
String. Okay, otherwise it will give error. So ID I have taken string. What is the next one? Name, right?
Mhm.
Name is equal to again name I have taken, and then a string. What is another one? Location.
Location.
Location is equal to I will write all this, and then string
Email.
email. Fine. So let's fill this. Name is what? Vinod. Vinod, and then location is Banjara Hills. Now email is vinod@gmail.com. Now four things are done. Now what we have to do is we need to use the PS. So here PS prepared statement dot set. We are doing the set. We are setting it order wise one, two, three, four. So set string set a string. Okay. So here I'm just giving one. One is for what? ID, right? One is
Mhm.
ID. Done. Next one is PS dot set string. Here two. Two is what? Two is name. So this is called positional arguments. Now just I'm copying everything. So here it is 3, and in the place of name,
Location.
location. Yes, and then fourth one is what? Email. Email is fourth one. Fourth one is email. So why I'm doing like this is we can change. If I wanted to give another name also I can give here. So it will take like 1, 2, 3. So now what we have to do here is, in this I'm just giving what int I is equal to ps dot execute update. Okay. So if it is successfully done, then more than 0 it will be stored in I. 1 will be get stored. And then here we are writing one condition. If same condition it is, I is greater than 0, and then see, so it is success. Else
Just,
fail.
yeah.
Now let's execute this and check whether it is working or not. It's working.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see. This is newly table we have created. So here now to check that whether the records have got inserted, what we have to do? Select star from what is the table? Employees. See, so insertion has been successfully done, right?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Vinod Banjara Hills. Yes. So successfully done it is. Yeah.
Yes.
Now, for example, okay, simultaneously I need to also add this in this notes. Just copying this. By using positional argument, we are inserting insertion.
All
Hmm? I'm just yeah, insert this. This one also I'm copying. Two things are done. Now, now same thing we can do. We can go and we can update also. So update table, update employee set. We can do the set. We can try different one. So for example, if I wanted to update, so here what we can write is, I guess you can try this update. So just you have to write here update.
Mhm.
Let me. Okay. So what we can do? If I'm writing here, now this will be lost. So I don't want to give the update command in the same. So insert is done, demo is done. Now everything is I will copy paste in another class. Update class. Here it is. JDBC update. Update. So what I need to copy, that only I have to copy from class. Yeah. So the name I need to change here, right? JDBC update. Done. Now what we have to do here is insert is done. Now I need to update. So just write update and then employee, right? Update employee. Update employees. In this employees, what we have to do? What is the update things we are doing here? What are the updates? Email, for example, email and location. I wanted to change.
Mhm.
So for that purpose, I'm just taking two things here. Email and location. I'm just removing all this. So for example, here instead of Banjara Hills, I'm just writing here Jubilee Hills. And instead of Vinod, I'm just writing Vinod at the rate Vinod 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 at the rate. So these two things I'm just updating it. Okay. So what we can do here, update this and then set. We have to use what? Set city city and then equal to question mark. Values you can remove all this. City is equal to what? Question mark. Where email is also question mark. Okay.
Location, right? We can write location, not city.
Correct. So it is what? Location. Update employee set location where email we are giving.
Mhm.
Now let's try to update this. Now what we have to do here is a prepared statement. Yes. Now again here city and then email, right? Location and email here. I'm just removing this. So ps dot set string. Yes, it is what? One. This is two. Let's see whether it is getting updated or not. But I think it will give us error because where clause we are using, right? Where update
Yeah,
what
because we are
we are
updating to.
we are updating only location, not email. So email should be the same. On the basis of email, we are updating the location. Yes. So what is the Vinod email earlier?
It was
Vinod
Vinod
at the rate.
at gmail.com.
Correct. So control S. Let's see. Let's execute this. Showing success. So let's see whether it is updated or not. Jubilee Hills, right?
Mhm.
Earlier it was Banjara Hills. Yes.
Yeah,
Now it is
still else.
Jubilee Hills. So we have done perfectly. So this is what update commands. Update. Now delete. I guess you can try delete and select.
Okay.
This is what today. Yes. So it is a bit difficult, slightly. You have to like know how to insert the add the libraries, and then MySQL you have to install. Have you installed MySQL?
Yeah. And can you send videos as well? He is not sending any like recorded videos.
Yeah.
Like, can you please send him since I need it from since 4 days to
What is
finish.
that? I need to check
No,
once.
no, it's been a while. He didn't even send any recorded videos.
Oh, that you need to ask him. But today's I guess we can get because it is a Zoho app, right? So in the Zoho, it is the option is there. So we can get this. You can ask him once the link. So you can download that link also. Yeah, from today onwards, you can at least you can get the links, get the videos because it is like advanced Java has started.
That's what I'm asking.
I will send you this 28th day one, and that's it. Do you have any doubts?
Mm, yeah, it's full of
Just
doubts, but yeah.
With the video, you can process. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
See, in front of you only, like I have not, I have the software with me also, but in front of you, I have shown you the demo, like how to download and all, right? That connector,
yeah.
MySQL connector. So you can try in that way and check it out whether it's working or not. So from here onwards, it's like a complete advanced Java concepts.
Okay.
So Bharat, that's it. Like have a good day then.
Yeah, yeah. You too. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Good night.
Same.